Hello and welcome back. My name is Lucille and today we are going to draw a bunny. We are going to start off by drawing the simple shapes first, and we are beginning with 2 circles for the main body and a smaller one for the head. Don't worry if these shapes look kind of imperfect and oddly shaped, because they just serve as guidelines and will be erased later on anyways. So I'm adding 2 elliptical shapes for the ears, and now I'm drawing 2 for the back legs. Bunnies have pretty big back feet, so these have to be quite long. And for the front legs, I'm adding in 2 smaller shapes, and also for the 2 joints of the front leg, I'm adding in 2 circles. To get the placement of the eye correctly, you can pretty much just part the head shape twice and place that eye in the middle. And I'm also adding in a small shape for the tail. The rough shapes are now finished, and we can turn down the opacity and start drawing and sketching the actual bunny over our guidelines. Having this space structure helps to not get lost in the details before the proportions are actually accurate. I'm only adding in minimal shading and also minimal lines, because I want you to be able to draw and then ink or color or paint this bunny afterwards. So by drawing straight lines, I'm depicting very short fur, and by drawing the zigzag lines, I'm showing that the fur is longer and fluffier. Bunnies often have fluffier fur on the belly as well as on the chest area, and also inside the bottom part of the ears. Now we are coming to my favorite part, the eyes. I start off by drawing the pupil, the black part of the eye, and then shading the eye lighter to the side to give it some dimension. Don't forget to leave a small dot of white to show that the eye is moist and the bunny is actually alive. You can also leave a little bit of white around the eyes to show the waterline of the eye. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial of drawing a bunny. Let me know which other animals you would like to draw next. Feel free to check out last week's video of a corgi puppy. And I also have a small book on how to draw bunnies you might like if you enjoyed drawing this bunny today. It's available on Amazon and linked down below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to not miss my next video. Goodbye!